So what we have at the end of every section in our book is we're going to have our work together and on your own. And we can see we have our work together. Notice it says page 9. That would be if you had a textbook. And we have our on our own also on page 9. How much is the work together worth? 2 points. How much is the on your own worth? 2. So it also breaks it down that way. Let's go ahead and open up the work together. Now, the word work together means guess what we are going to do? We are going to complete it together. On your own, guess how you are going to complete that? On your own. I know it's a very hard statement there. So this is the first time we've used Applia, so I want to go through and walk through how you actually use Applia. You're going to find on the very top it has our assignment. It says 1-1, work together. The 1 in the beginning stands for Chapter 1. The dash, then the 1 means this is the first section within Chapter 1. And then below that we have our directions. We have Megan Finder is a recent college graduate. She applied for a credit card. The creditor has asked for her personal net worth statement, and Megan owns a scooter, has $8,000 in her checking account, owes JC Auto and River College, and we have to complete a net worth statement for Megan. So we're going to go through and complete this, and I had one of these as an example. So on the very top of our personal net worth statements, first thing we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and put in the name of the person that we're completing. So we're going to go ahead and put in Megan Finder. The next thing that we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and put in the date. Net worth statement. And then the third thing is going to be our date. And we aren't going to be able to type in actually today's date of September 9th. We'd always just say whatever is the current date. Okay, so we always have on the top of our financial statements the name of the business, the name of the document, and the date. In this case, the name of the business is just the person. The name of the document, we're creating a net worth statement, and then being today's date. We have 3 sections. I pulled up 4 fingers, 3 sections. The very first section we're going to have here is going to be in assets. So we're going to go ahead and put in assets first. Justin, you need to follow along with this. If you have questions, make sure you ask. Okay, now assets are anything that you own. Okay, what is something that Megan owns? A scooter. What else does she own? Money, right? So when we take a look at money, what's another term that we would call money? Say it. Cash. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and put cash first. Cash always tends to be the first asset that we would list. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and put cash in. And how much cash does Megan have? It's up here in the directions. How much does she have? 800. So I'm going to put in 800. Now I'm going to do 800 without doing any decimal points because it's automatically going to do 0.00 for me. Now, we know that she had a bank account that had 800 in it, and our other item that she owned was her scooter. So let's go ahead and put in scooter. And what was the value of Megan's scooter? 2,000. So I'm going to put in 2 and then 3 zeros. I don't have to put in a comma, and I don't have to put in 0.00. It'll automatically fill in. Now, those are all of Megan's assets. So below that, I'm going to go ahead and put in total assets. And then I have to do math going down. I know this is tricky for a Monday morning, but Holly Frank, what is my total assets? 2,800. Good math, good math, good math. Solid, rock solid, rock solid. Love that, love that. So that is Megan's assets section. The next section that we have to do is liabilities. So liabilities are anything that we owe. Megan owes 2 things. What one was listed first up top? Nope, that she owes. JC Auto. So we're going to go ahead and put in JC Auto. And how much does she owe JC Auto? $920. Thank you. The other liability or other one that she owes is called River College. And she owes River College $125. I'm going to go ahead and list total liabilities now because that is all the liabilities that she owes. And that's going to be 1,000. I just had a typo. 45. If I add 920 and 125, that'll be 1,045. So we have assets on the top, liabilities are in the middle, and on the bottom we're going to have our net worth. How do we calculate net worth? It's a formula. Say it again? Yeah, total assets minus total liabilities. So we have total assets of 2,800, and we have total liabilities of 1,045. So the only thing that I have to do is do the math, subtract it out, and that'll be 1,755. So this is Megan's personal net worth statement. That is how much she is worth. In order to get a credit card, she'd have to give them that information. Okay? So what we want to do right now is we go ahead and click on Save and Continue. And when you click on Save and Continue, it's going to open up the On Your Own. The On Your Own looks exactly like the Work Together, except you need to do it on your own. So once you go ahead and finish that up,